Hello again, this is TJ sitting down. Received a couple of packages. In my last video I presented my first, it was a used system, my first Sinclair related computer. And it was used, a TS2068, which was really cool. I've been enjoying it. But today I've received my first new Spectrum related computer or Sinclair related computer, and I ordered an Omni laptop, which is based off of the Harlequin systems, and the new board that I guess was made. And so this is a brand new product. It's called the Omni laptop, and it's actually a Spectrum with all these different modes with a little flip screen, which you have to install, and I'll make a separate video on doing that. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and hopefully you can enjoy that aspect of things. So let's first start with the bigger box. I think this is the Omni, and this over here is going to be the screen. I've already made the slits in the packaging. Didn't want to bore you with that stuff. Plus it's really well taped, and it'd probably take me 5 minutes to cut it anyway. So I did that in advance, and we're going to open up. Hopefully everything's coming in all right. Ah, look at that. So, nice protective top to it. Put that aside. And this is how I'm opening and receiving the Omni laptop. Looks like there's this cord here. Looks like it's an inline type of power switch. Part of the power AC adapter. I'm in the United States, so this is a 110 volt that it'll be connecting to. Over on this side, it looks like the SCART type of connector, which you normally don't see in the United States, but I could always get an HDMI type of converter and utilize this later somehow, unless they do come out with the HDMI add-on for the Omni. At that point I wouldn't have to worry about it. But so that's that, and then looks like here in this nice protective cocoon is the Omni itself. I've never owned a Spectrum before this, but from what I gather this is pretty much an identical model with the exception of all the add-ons. So hopefully the video is picking this up okay. But looks really nice and clean, brand new Sinclair ZX Spectrum. And just for those folks that want me to start pronouncing it properly, it's ZX Spectrum. I'll figure it out one of these days. Anyway, so that's the front. Here's the front and top. On the side here, you've got a SD card and a micro SD card slot. Dip switches that you can set all these different modes. This is the NMI button. A couple of joystick ports. Go around to the back. Here's the main on-off button, which is kind of cool. I'm not quite sure why they added this too, but I've got an inline one also. Here's where I'll be connecting the AC adapter. Expansion port. Earphone and microphone ports. HDMI, which is not enabled. That's an option that I guess will maybe come down the road. And this is the connection for the monitor, which in this case is going to be my little screen that, since I ordered the laptop version, I'll be connecting that. Over on here, I guess this is probably a reset switch. And let's look at the bottom. Sinclair ZX Spectrum personal computer. Use only approved AC adapter. Patent pending. Little rubber feet on here. Probably speaker down here, I'm guessing, but there's at least cutouts for it. So that's the actual computer. It looks beautiful. Nice rubber keys. Should be fun. I'm getting to learn how to type on these. I've been working on my TS2068, and I'm not used to one button being 50,000 things. Whole new thing for me. So learning that as I go. I kind of made a joke, if you ever saw the movie Sybil with, Sally, I don't remember her last name, but anyway, Sybil. It's a multiple personality movie. And so one button does a lot of things. Kind of a little interesting way to look at it. Anyway, I'm learning to type on it pretty well. So I'll just go ahead for now, slip this back in, protect it. And so that's how it comes, right there. Push this out of the way. Package number 2. So they ship the laptop in 2 separate packages. So on top, some protective foam. And I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Lifting this out. Let's just get the goodies out of the bottom first. Nothing else in there. So it looks like a remote and some screws and looks like rubber feet. So there's some protective layers, cardboard. Looks like they've kind of got things wrapped here to protect everything in shipping. Kind of get that out of the way. More foam. And here's the laptop screen. Kind of pull this cardboard out of the way. They've got that in there between the plastic feet that they've made connection for. So this is going to be connecting to the bottom of the Spectrum. And just kind of show you here. Plastic feet. And it's all connected with these, again, if I'm getting it in the screen, but nice little, very well put together. Looks like there's a bracket here on the bottom. Cords coming out. We've got these nice hinges. And there's the screen. Got a nice little protective plastic I'll have to peel off. Here's all the buttons for setting up the monitor, I'm sure. The cord that's going to connect it to the computer. Here's the back. And so that's how it came in the package. Let me just rest it here. I don't want to scratch anything up. So that's it. That's how it's come. My next video will be, I need to buy some batteries for the Omni and get those installed before I take screws off and connect this LCD to it. And thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the quick unboxing video. Take it easy, everyone.